everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is having a good day, just an amazing day like mine. Today I want to touch base with you about goals. What are your goals in life? I know my goal in life is to share my knowledge on how to be fit and healthy to others, making healthy choices, being positive, and you know, helping them succeed in what their goals are as well too. I just want to share with you that a couple days ago I had an experience where I tried to set myself a goal, a daily goal, and everything went well until at the very end of the day I got sidetracked and didn't complete it, and I felt really, you know, sad about it, but it's okay. End of the night I went to my pillow bed and literally told myself, you know what, it's okay, you can do this tomorrow, it'll be a brand new day, a fresh start. So I woke up, I told myself, okay, I'm gonna do this again, and literally same thing happened again, doing very well from the morning to the midday, and then all of a sudden, you know, a curveball is, you know, in my way, a challenge, right? So again, I didn't succeed on that day, but it's okay, you know. And then end of the day I went to bed, I'm like, you know what, that's it. I literally told myself, you know what, I've got to get this done tomorrow, right? Like, you know, I have to stay focused, be very determined, you know, not be sidetracked, and I really want to get this done. So what I did, I woke up, I was very determined, and you know, any obstacles and challenges throughout the day, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna ignore that. I'm gonna keep on focusing on what I'm supposed to achieve for the day, and which I did, and I succeeded in achieving that goal. And I was pretty proud of myself because, you know, even though 2 days I had failed, but the third day I kept on trying, and you know, eventually I had completed that journey, and I was really happy about it. I just want to share with everybody that, you know, no matter what your big goals are or small goals are, just never give up, because, you know, you never know, like, once you give up, it's like that's a negative thought, right, of not trying again. And people that fail have tried so many times to get back on their own 2 feet and try again to succeed. And I truly believe in that, and just not to give up. And, you know, one day eventually, you know, you will get there. Everybody is at a different pace, right? Like, some people can get to their goals that's very fast because they're very well driven and they're determined to do that. Some people might take some time because, you know, there's some obstacles along the way, right? Their willpower is not really that strong, but they will get there. It's just a matter of time, how much time they put into achieving that goal, right? It could be manageable. And then of course you have some that don't want to get there, and of course you need to kind of motivate those people. Hey, you know, I was once like you, right? And let them know that you were like them before, and you know, this can kind of inspire them to, like, kind of like, you know, start taking baby steps to their goals, right? And I have experienced baby steps to my bigger goals, right? I literally experienced, like, I set myself a big goal and then I don't get there, and then but setting yourself baby steps and getting to the big goal works the best for me. And I'm hoping to share this knowledge with you guys, and maybe you could pass on that knowledge to the others, right? I hope everyone is having an amazing day, and I look forward to connecting with you guys soon. Take care. Peace out.